Hola everyone! So today I'm coming to you from a place that you have probably never seen me, our bathroom. This is a room of our house that could really use a zhuzh. So we're working on that, doing some renovations, and my project is tiling the kitchen sink. And since, as you can see, there's really not a lot of surface area, we decided to make it an art project and do a mosaic. And I don't do enough art these days, so I'm really excited about it. It's a totally new thing, never done it before. And I've kind of procrastinated because it's kind of hard to start something new sometimes. But now that I've started exploring and I have the materials, I've started like cutting these little tiles. I think I'm ready to go. And I'm about to do the actual most important first step and caulk the cracks. So hopefully over the next couple days, I will create something functional and beautiful. I will keep you cued in on the process and we'll see how it turns out. I'm having a hard time even getting the caulk to come out. So we're off to a great start. All right, and now it's actually like 5 minutes until I'm supposed to go to a virtual meeting, so I'm gonna have to come back to this later, but at least I scratched the surface of this project. Broke the ice. All right, so I finally got the caulking done. I learned that you have to use like a nail or something. I found a really long nail to puncture inside of the nozzle, and that's why I wasn't coming out. But yeah, I pretty much got it done. All except this humongous crack back here. I'm not sure what to do about that. I guess it's just not gonna be sealed exactly. But yeah, I'm just trying to remind myself that all mistakes are discoveries. All mistakes can be fixed in an artistic way. And making mistakes and just diving in is how I learn things. So this is gonna be a good project for me to get back into that mindset and just dive in and learn a new skill and have fun in the process. I think it's been at least a month since I showed you what was going on with our bathroom sink project, but today is the day that I'm finally going to put the finishing touches on it. I have placed all of the tile painstakingly, and I've got my grout mixed up, and I'm gonna go and show you how it looks. I am very excited about it. I'm really happy with how it's going, but it's definitely had some ups and downs, but I'm actually very happy with how it's coming together. Check it out. Got the orange and red around the borders. We got all the shades of blue, and we have these, well, I'm gonna leave some surprises to show you when it's all complete. So I'm gonna put the grout in now, and then we'll check it out after I'm done. Okay, so here we are again. Just a little glimpse of the progress. It's beautiful. I was really excited and I thought that we were almost done, and I thought we had made it through all the hardest and most stressful parts, And then I applied the grout sealer. And it seems like the grout sealant that we chose is reacting with the silicone glue that's holding all those beautiful blue tiles in the sink and causing it to expand and push the grout out. And that was the hardest part of the project, gluing those in there and then also smearing the grout in there was really rough on my fingers. So I'm very not excited to have to work on that again, and I also don't know what I'm gonna do because that is the part that's definitely the most important of the whole sink to be sealed. It's the part that's gonna be getting wet constantly. So the never-ending project continues.